Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte's GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. So friend, Gigabyte announced new GeForce RTX 3050 6G graphics card, and friend, the GeForce RTX 3050 Eagle OC 6G and the GeForce RTX 3050 OC low profile 6G graphics card are powered by Ampere NVIDIA's second generation RTX architecture featuring dedicated RT cores, AI Tensor cores, and fast GDDR6 graphics memory. They deliver the most realistic ray tracing graphics and advanced AI features with DLSS, and friend, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3050 Eagle OC 6G graphics card incorporate futuristic design elements presenting distinctive and personalized features through cosmic theme graphics, symbols, and geometric shapes, and it is equipped with the Gigabyte WindForce cooling system featuring unique blade fans, alternative spinning, and fan stop functionality, and this cooling system efficiently lowers the working temperature of the graphics card, ensuring stable performance even under high demand operations, and friend. And the graphics card features Gigabyte's customized cooling system, which features dual fan design and a high-performance copper heat pipe that directly contacts the GPU, and this helps to quickly dissipate the heat to the heatsink. And in addition, the use of ultra-durable certified components ensure that even such a compact graphics card can provide stable performance. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.